Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you a really delicious and vegan recipe of what we call Gobi ka paratha in Hindi, which is basically round breads just like chapati stuffed with cauliflower. So without any further delay, let me tell you how to start preparation. Firstly, I'll start with preparing the dough. For this, I took 2.5 cup wheat flour, which will give me 9 parathas in the end. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon carom seeds. Addition of salt and carom seeds is completely optional. I added these to enhance flavor. Now I'm going to knead the dough by gradually adding water to this mixture. I use 1 glass of water, which is approximately 200 ml. Dough for Gobi ka paratha should not be too hard or too soft. If it is too soft, the stuffing will come out, or if it is too hard, means hard crust and cracks too. In the end, it should look like this. Now I am going to make a stuffing, for which I took half of medium-sized cauliflower. Just remove its stems. Grate your cauliflower florets. Now heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Mix it well. Now add grated cauliflower, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste. Now mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm sorry, I completely forgot to add ginger garlic into this at the very beginning, so I'm adding it now. So I took 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger, grated it and then added. You can add it after adding your cumin seeds. So keep your stuffing separately for letting it cool down before making final parathas. Now I made 9 medium-sized balls for my dough and took some dry wheat flour so that I can later on coat these balls, dough balls. Now I took 1 bowl and coated it with dry wheat flour. Now I am putting 1 tablespoon of stuffing into it. Don't overload it, otherwise you won't be able to roll it and it will also break and stuffing will come out. Now press it lightly so that it will become flat. Again coat it with dry flour. Roll it and put least pressure on it now, keeping in view your stuffing. So you can now see yellow scars on the bread. Don't worry, it's just normal. Make other parathas with the same procedure. put a paratha on it and let it cook on medium flame from one side. Now turn to other side. Apply oil on the upper side. Turn it, press it slightly. Apply oil on this side. Press it slightly from all the corners. Your paratha is ready. Repeat the same procedure with other parathas. This is how it looks. Have it with pickle, chutney or raita. If you want its written recipe along with ingredients and measurement, then you can visit my blog. I have already posted its link in the description box below. Thanks for watching this and please do subscribe my channel.